Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bell chime and jingle bell time.
Easy Crew back once again with another video, and I've got an interesting parcel. Battery's running out. Come in the post today. Hey guys, so today I just wanted to take some time out to wish everybody a happy new year, season's greetings and all that. I know I haven't uploaded on the channel in a while, but you know, it's holiday season now, so I'm off work. DTG printer is charged up with cleaning fluid, so I've got a bit of time on my hands, so which means I'm going to be uploading a few videos here and there, as well as that, spending some good quality time with the family, etc. But I've got a box here that's come in today, and this box has come from Germany. Now, I've got a feeling I know who it's from. Let me get my electronic meter and just test it. Make sure it's got no charges in it. No, it's good. I'm just messing about. But yeah, let me open it up and see what's in there. While I'm there as well, I just wanted to take the time to say thanks to Winston Brakes for sending this cool trophy to me this year. Big up for that. I've also finally got my Ras Scuzzy through the post, but I plan to see if I get the time to put this together during the holidays and show you that running. For those who don't know what that is, by the way, it's like a kind of a SCSI USB thing that allows you to read your stuff wirelessly. You can drag and drop files to your sampler wirelessly. I'm not sure how that's going to work, but yeah, comment down below if you guys can do a better job than me. I think I butchered what you can do, but yeah, so I'm opening this thing up now and let's see what's inside, guys. It's quite heavy. It says fragile on the box. I guess that says fragile in German, maybe. Here we go. Nice and easy. What do we have? Oh wow! What do we got here? There's some sweets and ting. Wow, what's this? It says here, hi busy Brian. This won't mostly likely arrive to your place before Christmas, but it doesn't matter. Happy New Year anyway, and maybe still. Thanks for your show, man. And as I know you like Lindt chocolate, I thought I'm going to pack you a little something together. Enjoy the time off work and the chocolate, and most of all, the off time with your family. Big up Bazooka. Respect to you, Bazooka. Let's have a look, see what we got here. Big up to the Bazooka crew. Respect. Look at that. Got some lovely Lindt. I've never even seen these before in the UK, man. Anyone seen these? Look, it says Lindt free smack bites. Got some snack bites. We got a chocolate Santa. Jeez, let me get my Santa hat on, man. What's going on? Need to get on the case with this now. Chocolate Santa. Oh man, wow, look at this. Man, some solid thick chocolate, you know. Look, it's thick like a brick. Some, wow, some proper chocolate. Wow, check this out. Classic. Oh my days. Man, you guys are spoiling me. Look at this. 2 bars of this stuff. Oh, this is, oh wait a minute, this is a chili version. I've got a chili version here, and I've got a lavender version. Something about a lavender version. Wow, what's this? This is interesting, man. And here we have some, ooh, the liquor chocolates. Wow, yeah, look. And wow, look at this. All Lindt, you know, Tash.
Oh, that's
all
nice.
I want for Christmas is chocolate. Open me. Look at this. Wow.
Oh my gosh.
Damn, let me open that one. It says, it's got me intrigued now. I'm going to open this up and see what's going on. Damn. What? Look, it's like a little dispenser, and you open your chocolate. And, wow, guys, look at this. This is sick. Look, Tash, look.
That's nice.
Come taste it, look.
No, you.
Well, chocolate. Mmm. Man, big up to the crew, man. Enough respect. So guys, what did you get for Christmas? Comment down below, let me know. I got a wicked multimeter. you know I like to do testing. I've got a nice multimeter here, proper one, Fluke, from the missus. Electronic tester. That beeping noise, I don't know what the hell it is, making bear noise. I've got a new pair of trainers from my daughter. I've got some slippers. They bought me this, yeah? What else did I get off the top of my head? My memory's gone. Oh yeah, I've got a circular saw. I've got a circular saw DIY from my brother, big up, and also Amazon Ring wired doorbell. Let me see that. This is crazy. There's something wrong with it. What make is it? Take the damn battery out of it. Get rid of this damn thing. Also peeps, I forgot to mention, this is the highlight. Check this out. I got a Toblerone with my name on it from my daughter, my oldest daughter Hannah. I mean, this is classic. Now, this is so cool, right? No, I don't even think I'm ever going to open it. I think I'm just going to keep it like this as a bit of memorabilia. Because how can you like disfigure something where it's just, I didn't even know you could do that. Print chocolates with your name on it. That's just sick. Travel battleships. This gadget is pretty good. I mean, check this out. This is like a dynamic screw extractor, and I think you just use them to extract screws when they, you know, when the threads go. Because I'm into my DIY, guys. Believe it or not, I do like a bit of DIY when the time comes. So I do have a bit of an extensive toolkit because sometimes you got to do it yourself, ain't you? I've got this thing here as well. Check this out. This is a spanner, right, like a socket set, but it's got these kind of like metal bits that mold to the shape of what it is that you're trying to screw off. So it's pretty cool. So this is really good. Very, very useful. Put that on the end of your socket, and then that way you've got any size nut. I wonder if crooks would use that to nick people's wheels of cars. I've got a new wallet. Nice new wallet. Bit of a cashless one. So just cards to hold. Nice one from the missus there. Lovely jubbly. Quite slim. Do you think wallets are going to be a thing of the past soon? Because I see there's cash is on its way out, which to be honest I don't agree with, but what do you think, guys? Do you think wallets are on their way out? Here's a 4-port USB charger. Very, very handy. And I think these are all 2 amp charge ports. There's a 1 amp charge port on that, and there's 3 2 whatever amp charge points on there. So this is really good for charging your phone or fast charge. And I got some Turkish tea because when me and Mrs. went to Turkey, I kind of enjoyed drinking the tea out there. So I've got some experimental teas, and I'm a big fan of my teas. We've got all different flavours. Lovely jubbly. So guys, that's pretty much it for me prezzies. Comment down below, let me know what you got for Christmas. Be well interested to hear. I want to know one of them chocolates. Them chocolates are bad. Ooh, gonna definitely get on the case with some aiming therapy in these chocolates. Bring it here, let me fix it for you. Bring that mallet on the floor, let me sort it out for you.
Oh.
So guys, I just want to say Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to you guys. We're going to get a show up and loaded. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Obviously you are if you're seeing this. And we're going to do it. Aiming therapy. We've got the remix competition on the way. I've got my raw scuzzy to build. I've got an emu video to do there. Loads more tutorials. And going to be uploading some more stuff to the Patreon. And also some members content as well. So guys, that's it from me. Merry Christmas.